Hello dear students. In our previous classes, we have learnt about trigonometric ratios and solved many problems related to trigonometric ratios. How many trigonometric ratios are there? Yes, 6. Which are those? Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant theta, secant theta and cot theta. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. Along with these, you learned that the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta, the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, and the reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. That is, cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. And also you will learn that the ratio of sin theta and cos theta is equal to tan theta. That is, sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan theta, and cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta. So these are the things that we have learned in our previous classes related to the topic trigonometric ratios. Today in this session we are going to study about trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. That is, we are going to find the values of trigonometric ratios of some angles. Let us say 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. That is, we are going to find the value of sin 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, cosecant 0 degree, secant 0 degree and cot 0 degree. Similarly, we will do it for 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Once if we know the values of all the trigonometric ratios for these angles, then we can find the value of trigonometric ratios for any other angles. Okay, first let us find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. First let us take the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. For these, what we will do is, we will consider a right angle triangle ABC, right angled at C. A, B, C, right angled at C. With respect to this angle A, BC is the opposite side, AC is the adjacent side and AB is the hypotenuse. For this right angle triangle ABC, let us write the value of all the 6 trigonometric ratios. First let us take sin A. What is sin A is? Sin A is opposites by hypotenuse, that is BC by AB. BC by AB. Cos A. Cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is the adjacent side AC, and hypotenuse is AB. So AC by AB. Next, tan A. Tan A is opposite side by adjacent side. So BC by AC. Next, cosecant A is the reciprocal of sin A, that is AB by BC. Next, secant A, it is the reciprocal of cos A, so AB by AC. And next we have cot A. Cot A is the reciprocal of tan, that is AC by BC. Okay, now we must find the value of sin 0 degree, cos 0 degree, tan 0 degree, cosecant 0 degree, secant 0 degree and cot 0 degree. So what we must do here is, we must make this angle A equal to 0 degree. How we can make this angle A equal to 0 degree? So we must go on reducing this angle A. We must make this angle A smaller and smaller, like this. See, now it has reduced compared to this. Make it still smaller, make it smaller. So finally what happens? The angle A will become 0 and this line AB almost it will become equal to AC. It will coincide with AC. Look here, this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse, and we have our opposite side. Let us go on making this angle A smaller. We will reduce this angle A smaller. Say I am reducing the angle A smaller, and when I reduce this angle A, you must notice what will happen to your opposite side, that is BC. The BC will reduce. Initially it was this much, now it has reduced. So it has reduced till here. Now further you reduce this angle A. See, the angle A is becoming smaller, and BC also will become smaller, 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 smaller. Finally what happens to your BC? BC will become 0, and your line AB, the line AB will almost, it will become equal to AC. Hope you understood. So what happens when you make this angle A smaller, that is when it is made to 0 degree, your BC becomes 0, and AB and AC almost they will become equal. Now let us find the value of sine 0 degree. Sine 0 degree. So it is BC by AB. But what is BC? BC is 0. So 0 by AB. 0 divided by anything is 0. So what is the value of sine 0 degree? It is 0. Now similarly for cos A. Cos A is AC by AB. See, AB and AC are equal. So we can write it as AC by AB is equal to AC. So I will substitute in the place of AB AC. So AC by AC is equal to 1. So what is cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree is 1. Similarly, we will find what is tan 0 degree. It is BC by AC. So BC is equal to 0. 0 by AC. 0 divided by anything is 0. So even tan 0 degree is 0. Next, let us take cosecant A. Cosecant A is AB by BC. So BC is 0, AB is AB. So we can write AB by 0. Anything divided by 0 is what? It is not defined. We say it is not defined. It is not defined. Okay. Or we say it is infinity. Next, secant A. Secant A is AB by AC. So AB by AC. AC is also equal to AB. So AB by AB, that is equal to 1. So secant 0 degree. Secant 0 degree is 1. So finally, what is cot 0 degree? Cot 0 degree AC by BC. So BC is 0. So anything divided by 0 is what? Infinity or not defined. Hope you understood how to find the value of trigonometric ratio of 0 degree. Next, we will find the t ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. For this, let us consider an equilateral triangle ABC. In an equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal and all the three angles will be equal, and each angle will be equal to 60 degree. So in an equilateral triangle, all the three sides will be equal and all the three angles will be equal. And let us assume that each side is of length 2a units. 2a units, 2a units, 2a units. Now let us draw a perpendicular AD to BC. AD perpendicular to BC. Since ABC is an equilateral triangle, this line AD will bisect this angle A. You know what is an angle bisector? A line which will divide a given angle into two equal halves. Here AD is the angle bisector. So this 60° is divided into two equal halves. Now each of this angle will be equal to 30°. And this D will be the midpoint of BC. Since D is the midpoint of BC, BD will be equal to DC. And we know BC is equal to 2A. So then what will be the length BD and DC? It will be half of 2A, that is A. So each of this length will be equal to A. So BD is equal to DC. This is equal to A units. Okay. Now we must find the trigonometric ratios of 30°. So what we will do is, let us consider this right angle triangle A D D. In this right angle triangle, this angle BAD is 30° and AB is equal to 2A units, BD is equal to A units. Now we must find AD. Since this is an right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras theorem to find the side AD. So let us use Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem, what we get? We get AD square is equal to AB square minus BD square. So AD square is equal to, what is AB square? AB is 2A units. So AB square will be 2A whole square minus BD square is A. So we get A square. Now AD square is equal to 2A whole square is 4A square minus A square. So AD square is equal to 4A square minus A square is 3A square. So 4 minus 1. So it is 3. So 3A square. So what is AD? AD will be, see, the square root of 3A square. The square root of 3 is root 3. Square root of A square is A. So we get AD is equal to root 3 into A units. So AD is root 3 A. Now we know all the three sides of this right angle triangle. Now we can write the value of sine 30, cos 30, tan 30. Once we know sine 30, cos 30, tan 30, we can write cosecant 30, secant 30 and cot 30. First let us take sine 30°. So with respect to that angle 30°, BD is the opposite side, right? AD is adjacent side and AB is the hypotenuse. Now what is sine 30? It is opposite side by hypotenuse, that is BD by AB. BD by AB. So how much is BD? It is A. AB is 2A. So A will get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by 2. Similarly, let us write for cos 30°. Cos 30. Cos is adjacent side by hypotenuse. AD by AB. AD by AB. AD is equal to root 3A and AB is 2A. So if AA get cancelled, remaining is root 3 by 2. So cos 30°, the value of cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Next let us take tan 30. Tan 30°. Tan is what? Opposite side by adjacent. Opposite side is BD, adjacent side is AD. So BD by AD. BD by AD. So BD is A, AD is root 3 A. So AA will get cancelled. We get 1 by root 3. Once we know these three, the remaining three we can write. Cosecant 30. Cosecant 30 is the reciprocal of sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What is the reciprocal of 1 by 2? It is 2. Similarly, secant 30. This is the reciprocal of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. The reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Finally, we have cot 30. Cot 30, it is the reciprocal of tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Okay? Hope you understood how to find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree. Next, we will find for 60 degree. In the same right angle triangle, you see angle B is 60 degree. We'll take this angle. This angle is 60 degree. This is 60 degree. With respect to this angle 60, this will become opposite side and BD will be the adjacent side. Now you can write sine 60, cos 60, tan 60. Once you write these three, the remaining three can be written. I'll write here. Let us take sine 60. In that triangle, right angle triangle ADB, what is sine 60? Opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite is AD. So AD by AB. AD by AB. This is equal to AD is root 3A, root 3A, and hypotenuse is 2A. AA will get cancelled. You get root 3 by 2. You get root 3 by 2. Similarly, tell me what is cos 60. Cos 60 degree is adjacent side by hypotenuse. That is BD by AB. BD by AB. How much is BD? It is A by 2A. So once again, AA will get cancelled and we get it as 1 by 2. Tan 60. Tan 60 degree is opposite by adjacent side. Which is opposite side? AD is opposite side. BD is the adjacent side. So AD by BD. AD by BD. This is equal to AD is root 3A and BD is A. So AA will get cancelled and we get root 3. Now once we know sine 60, cos 60, tan 60, we can write cosecant 60, secant 60 and cot 60. Let us write cosecant 60. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine 60. So cosecant 60 degrees 1 by sine 60 degree. So what is the reciprocal of root 3 by 2? It is 2 by root 3. Next, let us take secant 60 degree. Secant is the reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 2. Its reciprocal is 2. Similarly, cot 60 degree. Cot is the reciprocal of tan. Root 3. Reciprocal is 1 by root 3. See, this is how we will find the trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degree. Hope you understood. Okay, fine. Next, let us find the T ratios of 45 degree. So for 45 degree, what we will do is, we will consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, right angled at B. Okay, and you know angle B is equal to 90 degree. Now, since we must find the T ratios of 45 degree, I will assume that this angle A is equal to 45 degree. Now you know in any right angle triangle the sum of three angles is always equal to 180 degree. Now here one of the angle is already equal to 90 degree. Then angle A plus angle C together it must make 90 degree, right? So if this is 90 degree and if angle A is 45 degree, then what must be the value of C? Even angle C must be equal to 45 degree. Angle C must be equal to 45 degree. Now you see 90 plus 45 plus 45, 180. Okay, now you know in a triangle, in any triangle, if two sides are equal, then the angles which are opposite to equal sides are equal. Now in this case you see angle A and angle C are equal. Then the sides which are opposite to equal angles. See, for this angle, this is the opposite side. For 45 degree, this is the opposite side. So these two sides must be equal. AB must be equal to BC. That is one of the property of a triangle. If two angles are equal, then the sides which are opposite to equal angles are always equal. And the converse is also possible. That is, if two sides are equal, then the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Okay, now this AB must be equal to BC. So we will consider AB and BC is equal to A units. If AB is equal to A unit and BC is equal to A unit, then how much is AC? So using Pythagoras theorem, we can find AC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, right? So AC square is equal to A square plus A square, that is equal to 2A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. So what you get? AC is equal to, see, it is square root of 2A square. Square root of 2 is root 2. Square root of A square is A. So it is root 2 into A. Should not write like this, okay? This is wrong. Don't write like this. So you must write root only for 2. So root 2 into A units. So AC is how much? AC is root 2 into A. Now you know all the three sides. Now with respect to either this angle or this angle, you can write the trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Let us write with respect to angle A. So with respect to this angle A, if I take, this will be the opposite side and this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse, right? Now let us take sine 45 degree. What is sine? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC. BC by AC. BC by AC. How much is BC? BC is A. AC is root 2 into A. If A get cancelled, remaining is 1 by root 2. Fine. Next, we'll take cos 45 degree. Cos is what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This is the adjacent side. AB by AC. AB divided by AC. AB is A. AC is root 2 A. So A will get cancelled. We get it as 1 by root 2. Next, tan 45 degree. Tan is opposite by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side here? BC. BC by adjacent side is AB. So BC is A. AB is A. So A by A, it is 1. Now cosecant 45 degree. Cosecant 45 degree, this is the reciprocal of sine 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Reciprocal is root 2. Next, secant 45 degree. That is the reciprocal of cos 45 degree. Reciprocal is root 2. Finally, we have cot 45 degree. That is the reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 1 is 1 by 1, that is 1. So this is how we will find the T ratios of 45 degree. So we have finished 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degree. Remaining is 90 degree. Okay. Next, let us find the T ratios of 90 degree. So for this, we will consider a right angle triangle A, B, C, right angled at C. Now, since we must find the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree, we must make this angle A 90. So what we can do is, we must go on increasing this angle A. We must make this angle A larger. Oh, just you move this point A towards C. When you go on moving the point A towards C, this angle goes on increasing. It increases, and finally it will coincide with BC. So your AB, this line AB, finally it will coincide with BC. So it is just like this. Now, if this is your hypotenuse and if this is the opposite side, you go on increasing this angle A. When you go on increasing this angle A, you should see that the adjacent side goes on reducing. Now the point A from here, it has moved till here. So the length has reduced. Further, you go on moving this, the base, that is the adjacent side, reduces, and finally your AC will become 0. AC will become 0, but AB and BC will be almost, they will become equal. Okay, what happens here? AC, that is your adjacent side, will become equal to 0. The opposite side and hypotenuse, almost they will become equal. Now we can write the values of sine 90, cos 90, tan 90, cosecant, secant and cot. First let us take sine 90 degree. Sine is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC, hypotenuse is AB. So this is BC, and we know that AB is equal to BC. So BC by BC, that is equal to 1. So sine 90 is 1. Next, let us take cos 90. It is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AC by AB. AC by AB. See, AC is equal to 0. So 0 by anything is 0. Next, tan 90. Tan is what? Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AC. So BC by AC, this is equal to BC by AC is 0. Anything divided by 0, we say it is not defined. It is not defined. Next, cosecant 90 degree. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, that is AB by BC. So that is equal to AB by BC is also equal to AB. So AB by AB, that is equal to 1. So reciprocal of 1 is 1. Next, secant 90 degree. This is the reciprocal of cos. So AB by AC. AB by AC. AB is AB. AC is 0. Anything divided by 0 is not defined. Is not defined. Next, cot 90 degree. That is the reciprocal of tan 90. Tan 90 is BC by AC. Reciprocal of this is AC by BC. AC is 0. 0 by BC. 0 divided by anything is equal to 0. So cot 90 degree is 0. So this is how you will find the T ratios of 90 degree. You might be thinking how to remember all these values. So what we must do is, and what we will do is, we will put all these values together in a single table, so that it will be easy for you to refer, and also it will be easy for you to memorize them. Now, how to fill this table? So a very commonly used trick, that is the palm trick, your left hand palm trick. So what you need to do is that you must take your left hand palm, and we call this as thumb finger, and this is the index finger, middle finger, and ring finger and pinky finger or the little finger. And what you must do is you must mark them as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Just let us do this. Here thumb is 0 degree, index is 30, middle is 45 and ring finger is 60 and your little finger is 90 degree. Now you want to find the value of sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45 degree, sine 60 degree, sine 90 degree. So what you must do is, while finding the value of sine 0 or sine 30, 45, you must take the count towards anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise, that is, you must take towards left, and for cos you will take it in the clockwise direction. Let us take an example and try to understand this trick. Now, if you want to find the value of sine 0 degree, you want sine 0 degree. So what you must do is, you must see how many fingers are there towards the left side of thumb. So to the left of thumb, there are no fingers. Therefore, the value of sine 0 degree will be root of, it is always, the formula is root of number of fingers to the left side of that particular value which you have taken divided by 2. Now if you want sine 0 degree, how many fingers are there towards the left of 0 degree? There are no fingers. Therefore, it is root of 0 by 2. Root of 0 is 0. So 0 divided by 2 is 0. So sine 0 degree is 0. Next, let us take sine 30 degree. For sine 30 degree, you see how many fingers are there towards the left side of 30. One finger is there, right? One finger is there towards the left of 30. So it will be root of number of fingers to the left side, that is 1 divided by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. So it is 1 by 2. So sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. Next we will take sine 45 degree. For sine 45 degree, how many fingers are there towards the left side of sine 45? 2 fingers. So therefore, it is square root of number of fingers to the left side, that is 2 divided by 2. So square root of 2 by 2. You can write it as square root of 2 by 2. But if I simplify this and reduce it to the simplest form, then it will be very easy for you to remember and use in the problems. So what I do is, I'll just simplify this. I can write 2 as root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is same as 2. Therefore, root 2 will get cancelled. So remaining is 1 by root 2. So sine 45 degree is 1 by root 2. Now you tell me what is sine 60. Sine 60. How many fingers are there to the left side of sine 60? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it will be square root of 3 divided by 2. So root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Similarly, what is sine 90? Sine 90. How many fingers are there to the left side of 90 degree? So 1, 2, 3, 4. So root of 4 divided by 2. What is the square root of 4? Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So sine 90 is 1. So this is how you will find the values of sine 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree. For cos, just the opposite. Take it in the clockwise direction. Just take it in the clockwise direction. For example, you want cos 0 degree. When you want cos 0 degree, you have to see how many fingers are there to the right side of 0 degree. How many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So root of 4 divided by 2. Square root of 4 is 2. So 2 by 2 is 1. So cos 0 degree is 1. Similarly, if you want cos 30, see how many fingers are there towards the right side? 1, 2, 3. So square root of 3 divided by 2. That is root 3 by 2. Next 45. How many fingers are there? 2 fingers. So root 2 by 2. This is equal to root 2 by root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 2 whole square. It is same as 2. So we get it as 1 by root 2. So sin cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Similarly, you tell me what is cos 60. How many fingers are there? Only 1 finger. So square root of 1 by 2. Square root of 1 is 1. So 1 by 2. So cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. Cos 90. Cos 90. How many fingers are there towards the right side of 90 degree? 0 fingers. So square root of 0 by 2. So square root of 0 is 0. 0 by 2 is 0. Once you know the value of sin theta and cos theta, you can write the remaining values, because we know that tan theta is the ratio of sin theta and cos theta. Now if you want tan 0 degree is equal to sin 0 degree by cos 0 degree. Sin 0 degree is how much? 0. Cos 0 degree is how much? 1. So 0 by 1. 0 divided by anything is 0. So tan 0 degree is 0. Next, let us take tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree will be sin 30 by cos 30. What is sin 30? Sin 30 is half divided by root 3 by 2. You know how to convert division into multiplication. You write the numerator as it is. You will write the numerator as it is, and you will write the reciprocal of the denominator. This division is converted to multiplication, and the reciprocal of the denominator is 2 by root 3. Now 2 will get cancelled. Remaining is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Similarly, you take tan 45. Tan 45 is sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 by cos 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will get cancelled, and you get it as 1. Next, you see what is tan 60. Tan 60 is the ratio of sin 60 cos 60. What is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So write the numerator as it is. Just write the reciprocal of the denominator. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. So 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 is root 3. Next, tan 90. It is the reciprocal of sin 90 by cos 90. Sin 90 is 1. 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. The same way cosecant theta. Cosecant, you know, it is the reciprocal of sine. So cos 0 degree is, cosecant 0 degree is 1 by sin 0 degree. 1 by sin 0 degree is 0. 1 divided by 0, anything divided by 0 is not defined. Is not defined. Similarly, what is cosecant 30? It is the reciprocal of 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Next, cosecant 45 degree. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2. That is root 2. Next, cosecant 60 degree. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. Next, last, reciprocal of 1. That is 1 by 1. That is 1. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, right? Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 is 1 by 0. Is it defined? No, not defined. Not defined. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is the ratio of cos theta by sin theta. Cos theta by sin theta. So 1 divided by 0, or you can take the reciprocal of tan theta, 1 by 0. It is not defined. Not defined. Next, reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Next, for cot 90 degree, see, cot 90 degree is cos 90 degree by sin 90 degree. How much is cos 90 degree? Cos 90 degrees 0 divided by sin 90 degrees 1. So 0 divided by 1 is 0. Okay, this is how you will remember and you will memorize these values. Or if you know the value of sin theta, 0 of 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2, if you write it in the other order, see, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, it will be the value for cos. Once you know sin and cos, you can write tan, cosecant, secant and cot. Hope you like this trick to remember all these values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, you must memorize this table.